Mathaini ma thinacara cia rucini niguo mihango ya kurekereria igeranio cia KCPE kuma ceceni-ini cia kuiga igeranio guothe bururi-ini yambiriirie. Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha akinya bara mihango ino mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Magoha niaugite ona thengia arutwo gukorwo maikarite mucii ihinda-ini ria mieri 7 kurumirira gututhuka kwa murimu wa COVID-19 mari na mwihoko arutwo ni makwatuka kigeranio giki. Guku akiuga makinya marimu ma kiwatho ni megutacukirio thukuru ciothe iria itakorirwo ikiandikithia arutwo kigeranio-ini gia KCPE.
Those people who took money from the children, and we find that the children were not registered. We have decided as a government that the children must take the exam. Even though under protest, they must take the exam and they must not be penalized. There are quite a few of them. And any other child who presents himself or herself for an examination must be given examination. Of course, then it will then mean that a decision will have to be made from where we are, that an examination paper may be photocopied so that the child can be given an opportunity.
Guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi mihango ino itongoririo ni Masikarogo uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa NEC guku bururi-ini akihinyiriria arugamiriri a igeranio gukorwo magitigirira ati arutwo othe ni marumirira mawatho ma kuotomia utheremia wa murimu wa COVID-19 iria mareka igeranio ciao.
The CS has kept on reminding us, and all of us are aware that there will be 100% transition. So let's ensure the card gets what's right, and ensure you observe what you are supposed to observe.
Kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga arutwo 14,043 niyo maraikarira kigeranio giki kaunti-ini ino, idi arutwo 3 kuma gicugĩ-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kirinyaga ya gatagati magukorwo magikira kigeranio giki thibitari-ini.
The security will be tight, and therefore just be vigilant and make sure that everything goes according to plan.
Kigeranio giki gikwambukagirwo rungu rwa ugitiri munene ni maabitha borithi na arugamiriri a kigeranio ceceni-ini itiganite kuria gigucokaga gutwarwo mathukuru-ini matiganite. Na niguo gutigirira mawatho na mitaratara ya kuotomia utheremia wa murimu wa COVID-19 yarumirirwo, ruhonge rwa kunyabara mihango igeranio guku bururi-ini ni ruo NEC ni ruongereire arimu a kurugamirira kigeranio giki na arimu 15,000 ukiringithanio na miaka ĩyo ĩngĩ kuria gikoragwo gikirugamirirwo ni arimu 268,446. Arutwo makinya ma milioni 1 nio matanyitwo gukorwo magikarira kigeranio giki guothe bururi-ini na aria magukorwo magigikira ceceni-ini 28,467 kuria mambĩrĩirie kigeranio kia mathabu, macokie kigeranio gia gĩthũngũ, marikie na kigeranio gia composition. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Retũrakanu wa Njirũ wa Boro.